Thiko ya kere kirumaniririo mihango ya kugeria gucokaniriria ngwataniro gatagati ka MCAs na gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni thire na mbere umuthi mucemanio ungi ukihanika thingiraini wa iregi gatagati ka President William Ruto, MCAs a Nairobi na Sakaja. Mucemanio uyu urumiriirie ungi uria President aratafanirie na MCAs aya muthenya wa ira na kuria arahinyiriirie ati gutire na nafathi ya kuhura uteti wa guthagathagia mihango ya Nairobi. Na riboti cia thiini ciugite ati President ni aratariirie MCAs ati gukoretwo na muthingitho munene wa kiuteti guku bururi-ini na uguo gutingikorwo na kanya ga gwitikiria Nairobi thingithe kiuteti ringi.
Ithu tutiaguthurire utuike ati uria thekagira President kana Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. Ithuwe twaguthurire tondu niguo uthiu ugatutumikire kana utuike mutongoria witu.
There's so much that needs to be done, so let us pray that what the President and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga did gives him a lifeline, but that lifeline should not be taken for granted. He could end up back in ICU, back in HDU.
Abunge ya kiama kia ODM aria matafanirie mucemanio guku Nairobi umuthi maugite ati riu Sakaja ndari na wikio tiga gwetha njira ya uria akuiguithania na MCAs niguo muingi wa Nairobi uthie na mbere na gutungatirwo.
Embrace all your MCAs, work with them regardless of their positions, but also embrace the political leadership, the members of parliament, for you to see growth like any other county.
So the sooner we sit down and get focused on the needs of the citizens of Nairobi, the sooner we will be able to ensure that we can smoothly serve the people until the end of our term.
No hari kiria kironekana ta kuhagurwo gwa Sakaja kuraigite thirikari ya urumwe kigeri-ini kirito ni gukorwo ni kugirari na mweke wa ithurano nini guku Nairobi angikorwo MCAs ni mangirahotire kuhagura Sakaja na munini wake ithurano iria cironekanire ta cingirathagathagirĩa uruti wa wira na hihi cihuthike ta rĩratĩria guthima icoka cia kiuteti gatagati ka mwena wa thirikari na mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro.
Nairobi has had many challenges before. Remember when Sonko was impeached, we had a lot of problems within Nairobi, and as the leaders of Nairobi, we want service delivery.
The impeachment shows that there are things that need to be addressed, and all that needs to be addressed can only be addressed with the grassroots leaders.
Ona gutuika Sakaja ni ararutirwo magego-ini ma MCAs, abunge matimukinyukithitie thi tondu maugite ati ni nginyagia wira wa Nairobi urutwo makigweta tabarĩra cia waki wa barabara, utambia wa mai, uheani wa irio kuri mathukuru gatagati-ini ga tabarĩra ingi. Na ikinya ria abunge aya kuongerera mugambo wa uteti-ini wa Nairobi rironekana ta riratiga Sakaja ri gatagati-ini ka ihiga na handu homo akigeria kuiganania uria agucokanĩrĩria ngwatanĩro na MCAs na kuhingia ciranĩro cia uthii wa na mbere Nairobi.
Nairobi ino kwina thina wa dawa mathibitari, barabara ni thuku, kwina ungumania muingi, waga guito ni ithogo irima-ini kana utego ni mbia.
Basara itionekaga guko farado marathie makiuragagwo mae gutire.
Kindly do your work. We are looking at the roads, which even as members of parliament we passed the money.
Na ona gutuika aingi a bunge na atongoria angi matiranyita mbaru Sakaja kuhagurwo kuronekana giki tari kigeri kingi Sakaja ariirwo mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 o ati ona angikorwo ndakuhagurwo guthurwo gwake githurano-ini kinene gukaringana na kana hihi ni agukorwo ahingitie maundu maria maragwetwo ni atongoria kana SHA.
And to the MCAs, hold your horses for now. Let's talk more. Let's embrace each other. Let's give the governor a chance.
Muda ambayo tuko nao kwa kufikia uchaguzi mkuu ni muda mfupi sana, na kwa sababu rais ametupatia maendeleo, sisi kama wajumbe tukishikana na MCAs nadhani itakuwa ni jambo mzuri.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani Wangũnjiri.